That's good. I'd say this one's gonna have a lot of crunch on it. What up, guys? Sometime Kev is in Poppy's kitchen. I don't know, got a craving for potatoes, so sliced a potato, put it in the air fryer, and this is what it came out like. Check this out. The thicker these are, the longer you have to cook them to get the moisture out. But in the air fryer at 400, they cook pretty quick. Nope, this was 10 minutes. Some got pretty crunchy, but they're all a little bit still tender and got potato in the middle, barely. Man, that's good. I'd say this one's gonna have a lot of crunch on it, but it's exactly how I wanted them. Put them 3 more minutes. These were 10 minutes, 400, preheated. Do 3 more minutes, so 13 minutes is gonna get you more of a potato chip. Hamburger, hot dog. You got it made. I just wanted potatoes today. Sometime Kev checking out. Checking with you guys later.